Po the raven has a very unique way of saying hello. He has a specific vocalization that he uses just to greet the people he knows. This is the heartwarming story of Po, a bird who found a second chance at life through the care of the American Eagle Foundation. Ashley, who works with the foundation, has spent years getting to know this intelligent and charming bird.
Hi, Po. Hi, Po.
Po's journey began back in 2009. He was rescued in Sylva, North Carolina after suffering a serious wing injury. Sadly, the injury was quite severe and could not heal properly. Because of that, Po lost a significant amount of his ability to fly. In the wild, a bird who cannot fly well simply would not be able to survive on his own. That is how Po came to live at the foundation, where he is safe, loved, and fully cared for every single. Even though he cannot fly like other ravens, Po never lets that slow him down. In many ways, he is just like a hyperactive toddler, full of energy and mischief. Every morning, the staff goes to check on him. They say hello and make sure he is doing well.
Hi, Po. Hi, Po.
In the evenings, Po has a little ritual he loves. He will run over to his favorite stick, grab it, and start rolling around with it on the ground. It is his sweet way of telling his caretakers that he is happy and ready to play. Po is quite the communicator. He has many different sounds and calls that he uses to express his feelings. He has his standard hello for friends. However, if he sees someone he isn't particularly fond of, like the veterinary staff coming for a checkup, he has a very specific go-away call. He uses his voice to announce his presence and let everyone know that this is his terret. To keep his mind sharp, his caretakers found the perfect little foam basketball that fits just right in his strong beak. Po loves to run after the ball, pick it up, and carry it back to his very own specially made basketball hoop. He has learned many different behaviors and tricks. This training is not just for show. It keeps him active and gives him the mental stimulation he needs to stay happy. He participates in these training sessions voluntarily, which allows him to use the same natural instincts he would use in the wild.
Recycle. Good job. Recycle.
Po is also a bit of a trickster. Usually, he is not allowed to keep the foam basketballs after a session because he will tear them apart. One day, he actually tricked Ashley into letting him keep one. He hid the ball so well in his room that she couldn't find it anywhere. After she finally gave up and left, she came back 5 minutes later to find him happily shredding the ball to pieces. He certainly has a playful, clever side. Currently, Poe is even learning how to match shapes, much like the toys children play with. He also loves to shred paper every day. He knows that his caretakers hide delicious snacks inside the paper, and he gets so excited when he figures out the pattern to find his treats. He has even mastered several puzzle feeders designed for dogs and parrots. Poe is a very healthy raven. He sees a veterinarian once a year for a checkup, and he always passes with flying colors. He even helps with his own healthcare by hopping onto a scale every other day to be weighed. The staff even built a special box with a mirror underneath so they can check the bottom of his feet without stressing him out. Poe is at least 15 years old now. While wild ravens usually live about 10 to 15 years, those in human care can often live twice that long. Poe's journey reminds us that every life is worth saving, and that animals have deep, complex emotions. If you are thinking about supporting or rescuing wildlife, please do your research first. Talk to experts and understand their unique needs. If Poe's story inspired you, please like and share this video to support our mission. Together, we can protect these amazing creatures. WishPause is built on real connections and honest moments, always sourced responsibly and credited with respect. Through thoughtful editing, moving music, and genuine visuals, we strive to make every story breathe. Your support inspires us. We look forward to bringing you our next meaningful narrative.